Need a quick, protein-packed breakfast? Today we're making a delicious chicken and egg power bowl with fluffy eggs, seasoned chicken, avocado, and fresh veggies. Let's make it! Start with cooked chicken breast and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Add garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Toss everything together until the chicken is evenly coated. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a small drizzle of olive oil. Add the seasoned chicken and cook until it's hot and lightly golden. Stir occasionally so every piece gets a little. Once ready, set the chicken aside. Now crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and black pepper, then whisk until smooth. Heat the same skillet over low to medium heat and add a little butter or olive oil. Pour in the eggs and gently stir them as they cook. Keep the eggs soft and fluffy, then remove them from the heat before they become dry. Grab your favorite bowl and add a scoop of cooked rice or quinoa. You can use brown rice, white rice, or a mix of both. This gives your bowl a hearty base. Next, add fresh spinach, diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, and a little red onion. You can also add bell peppers, corn, or any vegetables you have in your kitchen. Now add the seasoned chicken and fluffy scrambled eggs right on top. Look at those colors! You've got a delicious combination of protein, carbs, and fresh vegetables in one bowl. For a creamy finish, mix plain Greek yogurt with fresh lime juice, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little hot sauce. Drizzle that creamy sauce over your chicken and eggs